Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will learn how we can create the sequence from our video footage or even the audio footage. So in order to edit any video footage, we need to create a sequence. So in order to create a sequence, there are different ways to create the sequence. Number one is you can come over here on this new page like icon, and you can click over here, and from this drop up menu you can select sequence right at the top. Okay, and this dialog box would open. Okay, and here we have a whole bunch of options which you can choose from. Okay, so if you are working for HDV, then you can choose 1080p 30 pixels, 720p 24 frame per second, it's 30 frame per second. Okay, and 720 25 pixels, and we have all other format options as well. Okay, but if you are confused which one to use, okay, so don't worry, here we have the options for DSLR as well. All right, so if you are using some DSLR footage, then you can use this one, and these are some advanced footage options, okay, which you can choose from. All right, and let me come back to the question, and if you are confused that which one to use, then let me tell you, there is a simple way you can choose the right sequence setting every time, and that is by right clicking the footage to which you want to create or you want to add it. Then right click on that footage and select new sequence from the clip, and that way the original sequence would be created with the help of this footage. That means in whichever format you have shot the footage, that would be over here. So now as you can see, it has created a sequence. This is a sequence, and let me show you by clicking to the list view, and this is a sequence. This is the sign of a sequence. Okay, and this is footage, and here you can see the video and the audio, and here we have some kind of a stacks. So it is a video sequence, and we can add some audio to it as well. So this is very important. Okay, and if you want to change its setting and you want to see what setting it has, then you can come over here on the sequence and click sequence settings. Okay, and from here you can see at the moment it's editing, it's time based 29.97 frame per second, frame size is 920 1036, and if you want to change it to full HD, make it just 1080. Okay, and these are other options which have been automatically selected based on our footage. All right, and if you want, you can change them as well. All right, and here we have the audio sample rate, whether we want the audio to be 44100, okay, or 48,000 hertz, or you can choose whatever you want. All right, so 44 and 100 is good, or 48,000 is also good. Okay, and this is the highest quality. All right, and all these are options, no need to touch them. Okay, leave them as it is and press OK, and it will ask you that you want to make a change, and then whatever preview you have created, that would be deleted. So no problem, we have not created any preview, so I'll press OK.